Ever dreamt of running your own online store? Stocked with trendy gadgets, cozy homeware, or maybe the next big fashion find? The world of e-commerce can seem glamorous, but for beginners, it can also be intimidating. Two names that frequently pop up are Shopify and Spocket, and if you're new to the game, you might be wondering, are they the same thing? Well, buckle up entrepreneurs, because today we're diving deep to understand the key differences between Shopify and Spocket. Spoiler alert, they tag team to create your online empire, but each plays a very specific role. Shopify, building your dream store. Imagine Shopify as the prime piece of real estate for your business. It's the platform where you design your online store, from the snazzy storefront to the checkout counter. Think of it like building your dream house. You decide the layout, the colors, how many floors, it's all about customization. Here's what Shopify offers. Stunning storefront. Design a website that reflects your brand perfectly. Choose a theme, add product listings, write captivating descriptions, and upload high-quality photos. It's all about creating a user-friendly and visually appealing shopping experience. Shopping cart and checkout. This is where the magic of online transactions happens. Shopify provides a secure shopping cart system where customers can add items, navigate through checkout, and pay seamlessly. Inventory management. Keep track of your stock levels, receive automatic notifications when things run low, and even set up reorder points to avoid stockouts. Marketing and analytics. Shopify integrates with a variety of marketing tools to help you reach your target audience. You can also access valuable data to understand your customer behavior and optimize your sales strategy. Spocket, the inventory powerhouse. So, you've built your beautiful Shopify store, but where do the products come from? Here's where Spocket swoops in like a knight in shining armor, especially for those venturing into the world of dropshipping. Spocket connects you with a vast network of suppliers around the world. Think of it like a giant wholesale marketplace, except you don't have to hold any inventory yourself. Here's how Spocket simplifies your life. Product sourcing. Browse through a library of products, find items that complement your brand, and easily add them to your Shopify store. Automatic inventory updates. Spocket integrates seamlessly with Shopify, ensuring your inventory levels are always up to date. No more worrying about overselling something that's out of stock. Order fulfillment. Once a customer places an order, Spocket takes care of everything behind the scenes. They communicate with the supplier, handle packaging and shipping, and provide you with tracking information. You simply focus on marketing your store and providing excellent customer service. The dream team, Shopify and Spocket. Now, here's the magic. Shopify is the storefront, the face of your brand, while Spocket acts as the invisible hand, fulfilling orders and keeping your inventory stocked. Together, they create a powerful system for launching and running a successful online business, particularly for dropshippers. But is Spocket right for you? While Spocket offers a convenient dropshipping solution, it's important to consider your business model. Dropshipping can have lower upfront costs, but profit margins might be smaller compared to holding your own inventory. Here are some things to keep in mind. Product quality. Conduct your research to ensure Spocket's suppliers offer high-quality products that align with your brand. Shipping times. Delivery times can vary depending on the supplier's location. Factor this into your customer service strategy. Profit margins. Calculate your profit margins after accounting for product costs, Spocket's subscription fees, and shipping expenses. Conclusion. Building your e-commerce empire. Shopify and Spocket are powerful tools, but they're not one and the same. Shopify empowers you to create your online store, while Spocket streamlines product sourcing and order fulfillment for dropshippers. Remember, a successful online business requires dedication, marketing savvy, and excellent customer service. Whether you choose to dropship or hold your own inventory, Shopify and Spocket can be valuable allies in your e-commerce journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.